Hi guys, today's job is to change brake pads front and rear on a 2017 Hyundai i20. Let's go. First the wheel gets removed and then we start by loosening the caliper housing so we can get access to the old brake pads. Once the caliper is removed, we push the piston back. Remember to check your brake fluid when doing this job, because if you have filled your brake fluid in the meantime, it may overflow. Now to clean the caliper before we put the brake pads in. With the new brake pads in and the caliper cleaned, we can now refit the caliper. So with the first side done, the wheel can now go back on. Now onto the left front wheel, exactly the same process as the first side. And the second wheel goes back on. And now we move on to the back wheels. This is the exact same procedure as the fronts, except that the back pistons on the back calipers get screwed back in because you can't push them in. So you do need a special tool to do the back ones. I got my kit at Ardendorf. I suppose you can get them at other places as well, but guys, don't buy the cheap ones, because the cheap ones will just cause you intense frustration. And the third wheel can go back on now. One wheel left to go. and the last wheel goes back on. Remember to always pump the brakes when you're done with a job like this, so that the pistons can get back up to where they should be in the calipers. The handbrake is self-adjusting, so I just pull it up and down a few times.